So hello and happy Sunday to you. So I guess this is my first vlog or vlog. I want to tell you a story. In fact, I actually might have already told you the story, but I'm going to tell you again. As you know, I'm on the job hunt because I hate my job at Books A Million, more commonly known as BAM. BAM! So I've been applying at restaurants. One of the restaurants actually called me back today. I answered the phone while I'm driving home from my first kickball meeting, kickball game. It'd be a game. So I was driving home and the phone rings and I'm like, hello? And the guy was like, may I please speak with my name? And I say, this is me. And he's like, hi, this is Johnny Depp. Hi, Johnny. How are you? He starts laughing, ha ha ha. And he goes, actually no, this is so-and-so with Outback Steakhouse. And you submitted an application to us the other day. And I was like, why did he say Johnny Depp? I'm totally missing some joke. Ha ha ha. Turns out it was my joke because on the application that I had written in little section, like, how if you get a job here at Outback Steakhouse, how long would you stay with us? I had written until Johnny Depp asks me to marry him. So he's like, I'm taking it. He hasn't asked you to marry him, so how about coming in for an interview? Woo! So I definitely have an interview at Outback Steakhouse at 2 p.m. on Tuesday. I also have an interview at the Olive Garden on 2:30 on Wednesday. Woo! Keep your fingers crossed. Knock on wood. So kickball. Kickball. When was the last time you played kickball, right? My friend, let's call him Justin, a few months ago, my friend Justin said, my friend Jenny is putting together this kickball team for the sports league here in town. You should play. And I was like, I don't know, I'm really not athletic. When I used to play softball, my nickname was the ball magnet because the only way I ever got on base was if I got hit by the ball. He's like, no, you should play kickball. It's going to be fun. You don't have to be athletic, blah, blah, blah. So I was like, okay, I'll play kickball. Well, lo and behold, last week, I'm over at his house, and he's like, yeah, I'm not going to play kickball, ever. He didn't know it was outside. He thought we were going to be playing inside in a gym. How do you play kickball in a gym? So I show up today at the sports league place and I'm like standing out there freezing my butt off because I definitely wasn't dressed properly, and there's this dude there wearing shorts. I was like, you're wearing shorts? Are you cold? He's like, yeah, I'm cool. Hey, what team are you on? I was like, I'm on the Shockers. Shockers. That is the name of our team. The Shockers. Guess who picked it? Justin. Shockers. And a couple other people come over, they're like, you're on the Shockers? I'm on the Shockers. Are you a Shocker? I'm a Shocker. We find out none of us actually know anybody on the team. We're all just kind of this ragtag, ragamuffin, riffraff team put together. Then Jenny B, the team leader, comes and like she brought us water. She was like a little soccer mom, brought us like snacks and stuff and shirts so we can all have matching shirts that say Shockers. Shockers. We see the team that we're going to be playing. Definitely like big burly men all wearing matching red sweatshirts, and they're practicing. None of us have played kickball since the 3rd grade. We definitely lost, but not as bad as we could have. We got 6-4 and I even kicked the ball. I made it to base. That's right. I made it to base. I even made it to 3rd base. I'm expecting to get better, obviously, as time progresses. Hopefully next week's team will be easier, and I think we're all going to send Justin hate mail. You should send Justin hate mail. So thanks for coming up with this brilliant idea. I think we're going to be big stars. But I need to go to bed. I'm exhausted. And I need to post the outtakes from the New Year's Eve video because I know you want to see those before you go to bed. Yes, yes, so I must do that. But before I go, I'm going to leave you with this.
See you again.